Laro lang namin.
Barkada niya yun, yung pala.
Ng mga teammates ko. So, ayun, big deal yun.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
To the finals. Coach, you have the luxury now of long break, considering one by yung Meralco yun. What do you guys do to ensure by the time of finals, nandun pa rin yung, like say something, sharpness?
Well, first of all, I promised them if we won today, I would give them a break Saturday, Sunday. So we're gonna rest Saturday, Sunday, and then we're gonna go back to work on Monday. And watch. We can't do anything right now because we just don't know who's gonna win in that series. So we're just gonna do the things that we've been doing, which is just practicing our offense and getting better on our defense. So that's what we're gonna do while waiting for the other series.
Coach, both teams expectedly medyo it will be hard for you guys to either team completing the final steps to get that ultimate goal.
Yeah, this is the third step. So we're going to our fourth step, which is the final. So we just have to think of one game at a time and think of how to prepare whoever wins in that series and in the other series.
Tingin mo yun yung motivation ng team para ipanalo to or inabot yung day off ng 2 days?
I guess so. Kasi they played so well in the fourth quarter, which I told them naman sa halftime. You know, this is let's not give opportunity to rain or shine. You know, this is at this moment we have a chance to close the series. You know, it's not over. We're only down by 14, and let's just work hard and play like how we've been playing, and we'll just be okay, which we did, especially talaga sa fourth quarter. We just pressed on the gas on the fourth quarter. Luckily, we won the ball game.
Junior,
Opo.
4 out of 14 ka last game. Obviously, it was a cold night for you. So, gano'n lang kalaki na nakabounce pa ka dito sa game 4, and more importantly, you're one of the biggest factors kung bakit nasa finals ulit natin sa MIGUEL.
Credit talaga sa kila coach, sa mga teammates ko kasi minsan nahihirapan talaga ako sa depensa ng Renor Shine eh. Credit din sa Renor Shine sa magandang series na to. Ayun, nahihirapan ako sa depensa na kasi pag nakatanggap pa ng bola, nagko-collapse talaga sila sa akin. So, kailangan ko lang, nung last game, dami ko turnovers, dami kong mintes. So, ayun, buti ngayon, nakuha namin yung panalo. Yun nga, kailangan pa kami pagalitan ni coach para mag-step up, mag-go hard. So, ayun, good thing nakuha namin yung panalo. Yun yung importante. So,
Question for both Coach and Jumar. Coach, yung kanina si Gian Mamuyak at 30 plus points. So, ano lang masasabi mo sa, I guess, his improvement since he got to the 20 range, and how big of a problem did he give you guys, especially in the fourth?
Well, definitely, Mamuyak, he's been playing well. Not even in this series, he also played well in the eliminations, which I think he also had a career high sa amin when we played against him. I just don't know when. But it's just it's just their growth. The growth. They're really well coached by Coach Yang, and then he's giving them a good advices. So I mean they're under a good leadership. So yung young guys nila, Nocom, Mamuyak, and those guys will really improve in that system of Coach Yang.
Yung maturity niya since parang hindi na siya yung laro niya hindi na parang sophomore. Rookie pa ba siya? Rookie, so, parang gano'n. So ayun, parang na siya, veterano na siya sa team nila. So halos every game siya yung leading scorer. So siya yung isa sa mga consistent sa sa team nila. So near future, siya na yung doon. Isa sa magiging franchise na rain or shine sila Nukom kasi yung mga guards nila si Stu, dami nila consistent sila sa sa 3 points, si Karakot. So ayun, yun.
Napagod mo si Jeron, what made you decide you bring him? Ano gusto mo ma-achieve kanina?
Well, I always talk to Jeron kasi na Jeron just stay ready, and also Simon. So it's just the two of them. Na always stay ready because when we played I'm going back to the last conference when we played Ginebra, he was really a big factor din there. Coming off the bench, miski he was seldom used, pero once you use him, he's just gonna give his heart out. So kudos to him. He really played. He gave us the energy now, and he gave us the momentum now to win this ball game.
On the technical side, what makes rain or shine difficult to put away, not just in this game, but even in the first 3 games?
It's their quickness. They shoot a lot of threes. So once those threes enter, it's really hard for any team to stop. So and it's their transition offense. It's really quick, and they just have confidence to shoot 2s and 3s. So that's really hard to stop them.
Shoutout.
That ends our full game press. Go ahead.
Sure. Shoutout Mama, Papa, Lolo, Jay, Cham, Kendra, Vance, Bibiseo, Attorney Stenso and family. At sa lahat ng mga taga Cebu, taga Pinamungahan, House of Kraken, and then House Gang, and then Dota Boys,
House of Kraken!
MIGUEL. Sa lahat ng mga taga Cebu, salamat sa suporta. Sa mga fans ng San Miguel, salamat sa suporta. God bless.
Shout out to my Club Scratch friends. Hello.
Kay Clyde, shout out.
Shout out to Clyde. I miss you, and I'll see you soon.
Sila Kuya Edwin, nalo kanina.
Shoutout nila Kuya Edwin dahil sa team sa mga ball boys. Naglaro sila kanina. Si Sting, si Aldo din. Sila Aldo. And then, meron sila yung malaki. So, sana mag-champion din sila.
All right.
Once
Thank you.
again, congratulations.